In this video I'm going to show you how to post a SoundCloud music and Instagram story with sound. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using a Samsung Android, but you can do the exact process if you are an iPhone or any other Android. The first thing you need to do is open your SoundCloud and log into your account. Then you click on this mirror button, search by the site feeds or search, and search for the music that you want to post on Instagram story with sound. I've used this one just for example, Spectrum Shine. Find the music and click on these three dots right here. You will see 4 options to share. Click on the second, stories. Then you will open this page automatically. Okay, so you put the music right here. Here you can drag with your fingers and put on the position that you want. After you do that, you just need to click on the smile face. Click on the music right here, the sticker music option, and select this same music that you put on SoundCloud, okay? You can also select the time of the music that you want and etc. Then you click right here to share your post, and you will post the SoundCloud music in Instagram story with sound. You can also just create a story on Instagram and put the link of the music. So click on these 3 dots, copy the link, and create a story from the zero. Okay, put the name of the music. Look right here, click music, and just put the music and the link to access the music on SoundCloud. I hope I helped you how to pull SoundCloud music and Instagram story with sound. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.